Obedience, dhikr sustains this universe. Dhikr sustains this universe. The nizam runs as it should be running. When there's no dhikr, what will happen? When there's not a single person on this earth that utters La ilaha illallah, that utters the name of Allah, there's the absence of zikr. This entire universe, nizam, darham, barham, idha sama'un fatarat, wa idha al-kawakib untatharat, the stars will fall, the sun will become benur, the heavens will split, the seas will go on fire. This is in the absence of the dhikr of Allah, and when there is only disobedience on planet earth, this is what it does to the universe. So all what is happening at this moment in time is because of our disobedience. And if we don't turn to Allah, then nothing's going to change. Nothing's going to change.